bills have decreased dramatically and the comfort of the house has increased, well, it's beyond belief actually.
The whisker system is a method for taking several building processes and then systemising them so that when you carry out the installation of a wall insulation, it's done quickly, cleanly and rapidly, very safely, with less disruption for the occupant of the property. Whiskers was developed by John Doggett of the Sustainable Energy Academy and developed by United House.
The whiskers process starts with a laser measurement taken of the wall to be insulated. That measurement is then transferred to a laptop and then emailed off to a CNC cutting machine. The cutting can begin as soon as they've received the email. From the moment you've walked into that property to the boards being delivered can be done in 24 hours.
Well, there are about 7 million homes across the UK that have solid walls. And the problem with those types of properties is that they're generally in conservation areas.
We live in a Victorian house. We're in a conservation area, so you can't insulate on the front and back of the building. So the only option really was to insulate the internal walls of the house.
In retrofitting properties, nobody else uses modern methods of manufacture. Everything is normally done by hand, in that case very longhand, and not as effectively as we can do it with whiskers.
This is a piece of the insulation that we've put on the wall. You can see the thickness here, it's 100mm, faced with plasterboard. It seems quite a lot, but actually once it's done on the wall, it creates a nice recess and a window seat.
So for the installer, you've got a packaged amount of boards, you know exactly where they're going on the wall and they just fit on just like a jigsaw puzzle.
If you fit internal wall insulation traditionally where you have to cut the boards and then take them upstairs, you have to sort of decant the tenant from the flat. By using whiskers, we can leave the tenant in the flat because we need a very small working area on the wall we're working on, and we can complete the works within the actual day that we're working in the flat.
They work round us. We went in and out as we usually do, and everything went smoothly.
The mess is all kept at the factory, which is a big advantage. Whatever waste is created from the board, that goes into a very specific skip within the factory, and all that material is taken back by the manufacturer and 100% recycled.
Oh, the energy bills have been fantastic. We got a card meter and we put £10 on 4 weeks ago. I checked this morning, it's £1.57. We do not have the heater at all.
We do notice a difference, a big difference, and we're very happy with it.